Welcome to our presentation on navigating semiconductor supply chain challenges. My name is Carmelo Sansone from Renesas Electronics Corporation. Today, we will explore the complexities of the semiconductor supply chain, the disruptions we've faced, and the strategies we've developed to mitigate risks. Here's our agenda for today. We'll start by discussing the complexity of the semiconductor supply chain, followed by the impact of COVID-19. We'll then look at the U.S. manufacturing efforts and the CHIP Act, strategies to mitigate product delivery risks, and why Renesas is considered a reliable semiconductor supplier. Semiconductors are the backbone of modern technology, powering industries from automotive to medical to IoT. Effective supply chain management is crucial for optimizing operations, reducing costs, and ensuring timely delivery. When disruptions occur, they can delay product launches and impact customer satisfaction. Over the years, we've seen several key disruptions affecting the semiconductor supply chain. From the Asian financial crisis in 1997 to the recent COVID-19 pandemic and the ongoing Russia-Ukraine conflict, each event has highlighted vulnerabilities and prompted us to rethink our strategies. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed critical vulnerabilities in the semiconductor supply chain, resulting in significant shortages that lasted for years. Factory shutdowns and labor shortages delayed production and shipments, leading to increased lead times for chips. Governments began investing in domestic manufacturing to enhance resilience. Designing a semiconductor device is a complex process involving multiple steps, from R&D and designing to manufacturing. Each step has sub-processes such as wafer fabrication, which involves photolithography, etching, and doping. Equipment suppliers play a crucial role in providing the sophisticated machinery needed for each stage. The semiconductor value chain is highly complex and interdependent, with companies specializing in narrow segments such as R&D, design, and equipment manufacturing. Innovation in this field targets new materials, energy efficiency, and application-specific architectures. The CHIPS Act, passed in 2022, allocated $53 billion for semiconductor manufacturing, aiming to enhance U.S. manufacturing capabilities. While the Act enjoys bipartisan support, future funding may face uncertainties. The sector's economics demand massive scale for profitability, making government support crucial. U.S. tariffs on Chinese semiconductors have raised costs and disrupted supply chains. The policy shift from assembly location to wafer fabrication location has increased documentation requirements. These increased costs are often passed through the value chain to end products. To manage geopolitical risk, companies should implement best-in-class business continuity practices, partner with transparent companies, identify and map supply chain vulnerabilities, and build parallel product line productions. Diversification enables quick pivots to alternative suppliers or sites. Renesas' supply chain strength lies in its multi-region manufacturing, strategic mix of internal fabs and foundries, strong supplier partnerships, and comprehensive business continuity playbooks. These strategies ensure reliable and uninterrupted supply for our customers. Looking ahead, Renesas is committed to supply chain resilience and risk management, sustainable and compliant products, and transparency and trust. Our rigorous supplier selection and proactive improvement ensure reliable and ethical supply for our customers. Thank you for your attention.